Hey you guys, it's Cristina here, and today I want to show you an old journal, if I may call it like so, that is made out of a book that I brought. It was on sale and I brought it especially for this purpose, to transform it in a journal, in an art journal. So I have altered the front cover, it is hardcover, and the back cover. This was how the front cover was looking before I have applied this kind of texturated napkin, and I've created this model, this pattern with my fingers, and it has a lot of glue in here, and I let it dry completely, and now it's just wonderful. I love it. So when you open the journal, you also have this cute napkin model that I have in here with these two teddy bears hugging a heart. And some of these faces you may have seen before on my blog on creativemag.raw. Look at this background. These are handmade stamps. So they are just, I created, and you cannot find that anywhere else, and this is just wonderful. Again, in here, in this heart, and this one are also mine. And this is the page I am working on right now. It's not finished. And there are two pages stick together in here just to make the pages more sturdy. These are some faces that you've probably seen on my blog. These two faces need some work done. They are not all finished, you know. That's the beauty of a journal. You start working on something, and at some point maybe you lose interest, or I don't know, something came up and you stop working on that. This is an old lady, a sketch. I don't have the photo anymore, so I think I'm gonna redo this page. This girl could use some work. And two babies. I did this too before I had my child, so it's just incredible how many emotions and feelings I have put in these two faces. And a little girl and a little boy. Another little girl, and a sketch with the baby. Again, I don't have that photo reference, so I think I'm gonna just paint something else over. And this is the last page that I've just I still have a little few pages left in this journal. This has 22 pages, so it is very small, but I love it so much. So thank you for watching. If you love this and want me to post more, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.